Super Thanks is now available on more locations. But what is Super Thanks? Super Thanks, formerly known as viewer applause, lets creator earn a new source of revenue and connect with viewers who want to show extra gratitude for their content. Viewers can buy a fun animation called Super Thanks on a video page. The one-time animation will be shown only to the purchaser over the top of the video. As an added bonus, purchaser will also get to post a distinct, colorful, and customizable comment in the video's comment section. Your channel must meet the following criteria to be eligible for Super Thanks. Your channel is monetized, you're in one of the available locations, and you're not a music channel under sound recording audio-visual agreement. Super Thanks is not available for the following types of videos: age restricted, unlisted, private, made for kids, videos with content ID claims, videos with YouTube giving fundraisers, and live streams or premieres while it is still live. Super Thanks will only be available once the live stream or premiere is archived into a video on demand afterwards. How to turn on Super Thanks? Let's check our YouTube studio. Let's go to monetization. Then click Supers. And let's check if we're eligible. Yes, my channel is now eligible for Super Thanks. Yee-hee! Woohoo! What? I'm eligible. Okay, now let's turn on. Alright. Now let's turn it on. It's just along here. Along with super chats, super stickers, let's turn on Super Thanks. Now it's on. You can now send love and support to my videos. Now let's check one of my uploaded videos. And yes, it's there, the Super Thanks, the heart symbol. Click on it and share the love.